YouTube, got a package in the mail. But the craziest thing about this package is it got Memo's fingerprints all over it. It got Memo's fingerprints all over. I see it right here. Memo always thinking that he got a package. You see it, you see it, you see it. All right, I already know what this is. Shout out to Get Beam. He, I don't know if he put me on, but he put me on in a way where he told me about this little shaving thing when I was at the CT Barber Expo. And I don't know why, the craziest thing, they hit me up and asked me if I wanted to try it. So, here it is. All right, hot lather machine. Woo. Hot lather machine. This is what it is. Ain't nothing on the back. Ain't nothing on, just words. But this is what it is. Hold on. It came with, these are like little containers of the hot lather. Probably different scent. This is lavender, sandalwood, another sandalwood. Hold on. Give me. All right. You see it. I'm about to test it out. Don't need that box. Let's open it up and see. All right, let's open it up. All right, comes with a charger. All right, this is what it looks like. But why is the bottom don't have a, it don't have a bottom to it. Oh, it's not clocking to you that I'm standing on business, is it? Boom, this. All right, let's look, I got more of this than anything, so I guess you put it in here. You twist it. Yeah, that's pretty dope. All right, so I guess you charge it like this. Boom, heats up. Blase, blasal. But it does come with this booklet. I don't like to read, so I'm not reading it. Comes with this. Read it for yourself. Take a screenshot or something. Let's see how it works. All right, you see it's lighting up when you plug it in. Let me put my hand here real quick. Or do I press the button? Oh, let me turn it on. Oh, okay, you turn it on at the top. Okay, turn it on at the top. All right. I guess I need to read. Press the power button. Hold on, we got a little man over here with the press the power button. He told me press the power button with the 3 seconds. Come on, man. Say it again. Say it again.
Press the button for 3 seconds.
All right. Let me try it. I think what the problem is that it gotta heat up, and I'm being impatient right now. Gotta wait until it all turn red. Wait 3 seconds. All right, and then it might come out liquidy in the first beginning, but you gotta kind of wait until it lathers up. See, it's hot too, so it's hot. So you maybe down here down here but it's hot though. It's hot. You're not gonna act like it ain't hot. It ain't burning my hands. It's burning my hands now. You gotta have one of those leather hands to deal with this. Shout out to One Blade Lather for sending this over. I'm trying to do a video with this and try to see if it see how my client likes it. But all right, you guys, I'm out. Let me clean this up. All right, you guys, we are cutting his dreads completely off. He doesn't want them anymore, so I'm gonna start by just taking out his hair tie, and I'm gonna use my clippers just to kind of knock off all of the dreads. I kind of find it more satisfying doing it this way. So next I'm gonna pick everything out. I am gonna wash his hair. I'm gonna pick it out first, but I'm not gonna show the washing process. It's gonna take too long to bring the camera over there and do all that, but the next clip will show that his hair is clean. So now I'm gonna start by shaping the afro on top. I'm gonna try to blend it into that front kind of taper that he had. I know my client was worried about that, so I'm gonna try to get it and make it flow with that as best as possible. This is not gonna be the last shaping that I'm gonna do. It's just getting to a place where, you know, you could physically kind of see where you're going with the whole haircut. So my client wanted a high taper, so I'm gonna start by setting in a triangle-like shape. The reason why I'm doing it this way, my bald line, I wanna make it kind of a burst effect. I don't want it to just look like a regular taper. I kind of want to have a bend to it, so where you can see the vertical bars being as dark as possible. Next, I'm gonna take my 360 GZ X Stylecraft clippers and basically, with the lever open, go up in that same kind of V-like shape. And also, I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I go over that guideline and brush the hair down as I go. Next, with the one guard, with the lever open, the same exact thing. I'm going up in that same exact triangle-like shape, making sure I maintain that shape as much as possible using my corners. You don't want to use your frill blade because that's going to throw off that shape. So make sure you use your corners most of the time. Putting on my 2 guard with the lever open, I'm going up and kind of clearing out that bulk at the top, not necessarily keeping that that shape as far as the top bulk. I'm just trying to make everything flow into the afro on top. So I'm gonna work my way back down by putting back on my 1 guard with the lever closed. In a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line. Now, this is not gonna take it out fully. This is just gonna soften it up so you could, you know, come behind it with the next step. And it's gonna be easier to take it out. Now that I have it just cut a little bit lower and softened up, I'm gonna put on my 0 guard with the lever fully closed, and in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now, sometimes that 0 guard can't take out everything fully. So what I like to do is I like to go behind it with the lever open and just get in those areas where I see bulk. This is basically just detailing. Now with the lever fully closed and a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line, start below the line, flick to the line, and adjust your lever as you go higher into the blend. So I'm gonna comb down that area between the bulk and the blend, just to make sure everything is laid down and it looks nice and neat. And from here, I'm just gonna shape a little bit at the top and do some detail work, all right? I'm gonna basically refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. Also, you don't have access to a mirror. You wanna rest your eyes, come back to the blend, and kind of just, you know, corner work those areas where you see bulk. So my client was about to cut off his entire beard. I had to stop him and be like, hey, let's fade it in first before we do all that. So I convinced him to fade it in. And right now, you know, I set in that bald line real low. Now I'm going up with the lever open. And then I'm gonna set my next guideline going downward with the 1 guard open. And basically this is just the same exact steps, just going downward. So as far as the back goes, it's the same exact steps. Bald line, lever open, 1 guard, 2 guard, come back down, 1 guard, lever closed, 0 guard, lever closed, and then take out that bottom line, lever closed, all right? You should memorize these steps. This is not something that you should be second guessing yourself or even having to think about. You should be cutting hair, basically not thinking about what to do next. Moving on to shaping my client's beard, I'm just gonna shape it, bring it down a little bit, get it nice and neat. Now that I'm done shaping the beard, I'm gonna go and give my final shape to the top. And lastly, I'm gonna curl sponge everything that's on top just to give it that good nappy fro look. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360 and they come out looking like got it, got it, got it, got it, yeah! YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chit.